Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 29 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE Mathematics. I am your mentor, I am your friend Ankit Sir, welcoming you on our platform Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel, where we coming every day for a session on your CBSE 10 for science and mathematics. So I hope you're enjoying the sessions, I hope you're learning from it, I hope you're solving all the questions that we are giving in this session. So today we're going to talk about session number 2 for triangles. In this session we'll talk about bacha similarity criterion. So I'll not prove the criterions, I'll just tell you how the criterion can be used, how they look like, okay? And we'll talk about proof of Converse BPT. So why proof of Converse BPT? Because they are actually asked repeatedly in your examinations, boards, yes, outright 4 mark 5 mark questions, not 4 mark 5 mark question can be asked in Converse BPT. They'll tell you the statement, prove the statement of Converse BPT, you have to draw the diagram and prove it, okay? That's why very important. I'm going to do the proof of Converse BPT and tell you similarity criteria and then solve questions on both the categories, both the topics. Ready for it? Yes. Please take your pen and paper out and solve these questions with me. First, for the proof part, first listen to me, go through every step that I'm doing, then you can later, copy the steps, okay? One more thing, if you want to download the class notes, class PDFs, okay, for every session for science and mathematics, do one thing, just join the WhatsApp channel, okay? Don't worry about it, we will not get your data and all, everything will be, your privacy will be maintained there, okay? We will be just posting our class notes in the WhatsApp channel and you're gonna get all these PDFs available to you for free, okay? So make sure that you have joined the WhatsApp channel. The link for the WhatsApp channel is given in the description, so make sure that you have, joined it by now if you have not joined till date, okay? Chaliye, moving on, look at the chapter plan. What we have, so we had BPT and Converse, okay? So we have talked about BPT in detail. Go ahead in the previous session, check the video and solve the questions on the BPT. Today we'll talk about the Converse and criteria of similarity, okay? So again, this is it. Chapter plan is this, bacha. Moving on to the weightage section, check the weightage. So overall geometry has 15 marks weightage, right? So in the triangles we can expect 8 to 9 marks questions coming from here, okay? So BPT and Converse, again, this is based upon your latest your syllabus. I've seen the PYQ, so based upon that, okay? And again, I have checked out your deleted portions, so whenever you're starting a preparation, know your deleted portions, what is not there in the syllabus. So all of that is considered. Then we can expect questions on BPT and Converse of which category MCQ can be asked. Means you can expect a question in MCQ category, 3 marker, 5 marker and 4 marker. Question can be asked from BPT and Converse. Same goes with similarity, MCQ 2 marker, 5 marker and 4 marker. Means when I say 4 marker means case studies. Means case study can be asked in similarity or BPT as well. But more likely in similarity. Okay, you can expect a case study, okay? Chaliye. So whenever you're preparing for the chapter, know whatever question can be asked and you should be prepared for it, okay? Look at the Converse BPT statement, bacha. Have a look. If a line divides, so we have learned first, let me recall the BPT first. BPT was if a line is drawn parallel to one of the side. So if you take 2 points on 2 sides of the triangle, okay, and draw a line through them parallel to the third side, then the line divides the 2 sides in the equal proportion. That's the statement of your BPT. Converse means what? First of all, I'll go ahead in if and then condition. If was line parallel, side proportional. Was the BPT. Converse, opposite. If is side proportional, then is the if the side proportional, then line is parallel. Means if AD and DB is equals to AE and EC, then prove that DE is parallel to BC. So with that, I'm going to write our statement to prove. Please have a look. What's our statement to prove, bacha? I can write here. To prove is what, bacha? To prove is DE is parallel to BC. Great. One more thing was the given condition. The given condition is AD by BD equals to A by EC. A by EC. This is the given condition. Have a look. Okay, sides are given proportional. Is that clear? Okay, great, sir. Now there's a construction. Have a look. Construction, sir. Construction. What is that, bacha? So we're gonna draw. We'll not say that. We will not go ahead and say that D is parallel. We'll say there's another line which is DE dash parallel to BC. So what is that, bacha? DE dash parallel to BC is the construction. We have to draw this, okay? So drawing a line DE dash parallel to BC. I'm not saying D is parallel, I'm saying another line DE dash is parallel to BC, okay? In that case, what I can do, bacha? In the proof statement, please have a look. Proof, sir. So we can write by BPT, please check. By BPT, I can say what? In the triangle ABC, DE dash is parallel to BC, it means what? AD to, have a look, bacha. AD to DB equals to A dash to C dash, okay, or CE dash. Okay, this is my equation number 2. This is my equation number 1. Please compare equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, what do you get? ADBD is same on the LHS side. So for that reason, I'll have also RHS side equal. Please have a look. I'll get what, bacha? A dash by C dash equals to A by CE or EC. Okay, A by EC. Great. Let's call this to be equation number 3. I hope this is clear. Have a look. Very, very, very important. Okay, very, very, very important. Why important, sir? Because bacha, questions can be asked on this category. This question can be straightforward, asked for 4 mark, not 4 mark, 3 mark or 5 mark. Okay, not 4 mark. 4 mark is a case study, right? So 3 mark or 5 mark question can be asked just to prove the Converse BPT theorem. Okay, chaliye. So A dash upon C dash equals to A by EC. Statement number 3 is done. So we'll write this again over here. Have a look. What was getting? AE dash by CE dash equals to A by CE. Same thing I've written, sir. This is the same equation 3. Have a look. Please have a look. Same thing I've written there. Okay. Now what are you doing? Adding. I have the same equation. Let's write it as 3. Adding a number 1. Adding 1 on both sides of equation 3. I can do that? Of course. Chaliye. Moving on. Please add them like this. AE dash upon CE dash, okay, plus 1 and AE upon C plus 1. Have a look. Can I take LCM? Of course. So I can write it as AE dash plus CE dash upon CE dash equals to AE plus CE upon CE. Yes, A plus C dash upon C dash equals to A plus C upon CE. Now check here. A dash plus C dash. Check, bacha. A dash plus C dash is nothing but AC, right? Yes, sir. Have a look. This is AC, sir. Great. AC by CE dash. Okay. What about this? A plus CE. A plus CE, sir, also AC. Also AC, sir. Please check. For that reason, I can simply what? Cancel AC and AC. What I'm getting from here? I'm getting from here, bacha. From here I'm getting C equals to CE dash. What I'm getting? C equals to CE dash. This can happen only when E dash and E coincide, right? Correct, na? How can two lengths, different length be equal? If if the starting point is same, it means end point also has to be the same. So E and E dash. Correct, na? What is the starting point of CE? Line segment CE. Starting point, initial point is C. CE dash, initial point is again C. How can the two lines be different? Only if the end point is also same. That's why E dash and E coincide, which means that, please have a look. We had this condition, bacha. We had DE dash. We had, one second. Yes, just a second. We had DE, excuse me, DE dash parallel to BC, right? Please check from the construction. DE dash parallel to BC. But E and E dash coincide, it means what? Similarly, we can get, therefore, DE is parallel to BC. And this is what our proof was. So hence, proved, sir. The statement that we're looking for, what was the statement? To prove the line which is cutting the sides of the triangle, two sides of triangle proportionally, the same ratio AD to BD and A to EC is nothing but parallel to the third side. We got it. DE is parallel to the third side, BC. Clear? Hai? Have a look from the beginning. Yes, okay. Now, I'll move on to criteria of similarity. First of all, when can we call a similar triangle? When can we call two figures similar? Okay, so we have learned the congruency, right? So congruency, if you remember, was nothing but when a figure can overlap with each other. Okay, when I can take two figures which can overlap with each other, then I'll call what? I'll call those figures to be similar. Means I can take two 1 rupee coin coincide with each other, so congruent, not similar, congruent, sorry. Okay, same way, whenever I have in similarity the shapes to be same, it means that if I take two equilateral triangles, bacha, if I take two equilateral triangles, have a look, okay, of different sizes. Okay, let's say this is A, this is A, this is A, and this is what, bacha? 2A, 2A, and 2A. Okay, then we call this triangle, let's say this is A, B, and C. This is P, Q, and R. We'll call the triangles to be similar. Means that I can either scale it up or scale down. If the shape remains same, we can call those figures to be similar, right? Shape, only shape remains same. In congruency, shape and size both has to remain same, right? It means it has to overlap. But in this case, in the case of similarity, what is the constraint? Constraint is the shape has to be same, size does not matter. Size can be scaled up or scaled down. Is that clear? Okay, करें चलिए बहुत अच्छा. Moving on, let's take this out. Just for example, I took this two triangles PQR and ABC. Now let's look at the statement. So when I'm saying this word scale up, scale down, what it means? Think about it. Scale up, scale down. I wrote the side, na? I wrote, sir, A, and for the other triangle I wrote it as 2A. For triangle ABC, I wrote A, and for triangle PQR, I wrote 2A. I can write another triangle XYZ. Triangle XYZ was the side, let's say A by 2. है ना? All of these are similar, na sir. Similar symbol is this, sir. Congruency top was there, remember that curves, that is called as the symbol for similarity. Only the symbol, not the equal to sign. Means only the shape is similar. Okay, so we'll call this triangle to be similar. How come, sir? Please check the sides are proportional. If I take this to this, what's the answer, sir? 1 to 2. This to this, sir. Again, answer is 1 to 2. Means from here, if I have to reach from here to here, what are you gonna do? Times 2. A into 2 is 2A. From here to here, sir, A into 2 is simply A, sir. Again, times 2. So you can see here, this is, if you're going like this, what is that, bacha? Scaling up. Going like this, scaling down. Clear, right? Clear, right? So basically, whenever you are scaling up or scaling down with the same shape of the triangle, you're gonna call the triangles to be similar. Clear? Simple to understand? Now, so from here, can you observe one thing? The sides will be always proportional. Yes or no? So the side of AB to PQ, what is that? Sir, 1 by 2. Check na bacha. Side AB. Side AB to PQ. How come 1 by 2, sir? This was A, this was 2A na bacha. So 1 by 2. है ना? Think na, I told you, all sides are A, equilateral triangle. So AB to PQ is A by 2, sir, 1 by 2. Okay. Check this condition. XY to AB. What is XY, sir? A by 2. What is AB, bacha? Simply A. A and A cancel. Answer is what? Again 1 by 2. Means whatever scaling you are doing, keeping the same constant 2, 2, 2 like that. The triangles will be always having the same proportionality. The sides will be in this proportion. Same ratio. So that's the definition of your similarity. Whenever you have corresponding sides, corresponding Y, I'm taking corresponding, bacha, please check. Please check. Corresponding Y, sir. Why this word corresponding? I took AB with PQ and with XY. Did I take with YZ? Did I take AB with YZ? Please check. AB with XY and AB with PQ. That's why corresponding. Corresponding side to PQ is going to be what, sir? AB, sir. Great. Now here also you check. AB to D will be corresponding. Clear? Okay. So whenever you have the corresponding sides proportional for given two triangle, we're gonna call what? The triangle to be similar or same in the shape. Clear? Chaliye. Okay, so read the statement. If all the three sides of a triangle are in the proportion to the three sides of another triangle, we call those triangles to be similar. Now, if you are having another question from your side, sir, you took a case of, sir, equilateral triangle. Will this property apply to all the triangles? Yes, bacha. That's why I've taken this case also. Is it a equilateral triangle? It's a scaling triangle. Have a look. Yeah, it is actually a right angle triangle. 3, 4, 5, na? So 3 square is going to be what? 9. 4 square is going to be what? 16. Plus will be 25, which is equal to what? 5 square. So it is going to be a right angle triangle, no problem there. But before I go ahead and do that, just see this. Is it a scaling triangle or not? All sides are different, na? Scaling triangle, no problem. But the property will hold true. I'll show you. What's the condition? Equilateral I showed you just to make this thing simpler for you. What was the condition? The most important condition not for the triangle to be equilateral. The condition was the shape has to be same. What's the condition for similarity? The shape has to be same. If you're sitting watching the video, repeat after me. The shape has to be same, sir, for the triangles to be similar. How can you define shape mathematically? By keeping the sides ratio proportional. By keeping the sides ratio consistent, same. Check here. 4 to 24, sir, 6 times. Yes, na, sir. 4 to 24, sir, 6 times, bacha. Same way. 3 to 18, sir, 6 times. 5 to 25, sir, again 6 times. Why is there 5 to not 18? Why 5 to 25, sir? Sorry, why 5 to 30, sir? Why not 5 to 18, sir? Because I said corresponding side, very important, corresponding side. So 5 to 30 are the corresponding sides, right? So 5 into 6, 4 into 6, 3 into 6 are. You can see the ratio is same. 5 by 30 is 1 by 6, 3 by 18 is 1 by 6, 4 by 24 is 1 by 6. So the ratio of given two sides are same. Given sides of the triangles are same. Then I can write what? Simply ABC is similar to what? DE, triangle DEF. How come? How come, sir? Check, bacha. AB to DE. I will not have to look at the triangle. If I write this name correct, now I can just look from here. AB to DE, AC to DF. Excuse me, not DE, DF. Just look at the triangle's name and you can write the proportionality for all the sides. AC to DF and BC to EF. Please check. BC to EF is all equal to what? 1 by 6. Have a look. AB to DE, BC to EF, AC to DF. Corresponding sides. AB to DE, please check. AB to DE, 4 by 24, so 1 by 6. AC to DF, 3 by 18, again 1 by 6. BC to EF, again 5 by 30, so 1 by 6. That's why I've written here proportionality. You can check here. The ratios are consistent, same, proportional, whatever you want to call. Sides are proportional, sir. That's the definition of understanding of similarity. Is that clear? Now we'll see the criterion. So from here only, we can say what? One property arises. What property is that? Very, very important. What property is that, sir? The property is called as SSS, criteria of similarity. Criteria of similarity. Whenever all three sides of the triangle, two triangles are proportional, we call the triangle to be similar, sir. Not equal, proportional. What if, sir, they are equal? What if the triangle sides are equal? Of course, na, equal means they will become, ratio will be 1 by 1, na? Correct, right? Congruent will also be, all congruent figures are similar, but not otherwise. All congruent figures, repeat after me, all congruent figures are similar to each other, but not all similar figure has to be congruent to each other. Got it? Great, sir. So this criteria, this definition of similarity can also be called as a criteria which is SSS criteria. What is, how, sir? How can you interpret this? Sir, all side has to be, what side, sir? Corresponding side has to be proportional. Is that clear or not? Yes? Great. Moving on to the other criteria of similarity, we have two more, okay? Three more actually, but we'll combine it to two. You see. Other way to determine what? What's our goal? Determine the shape is consistent, sir. The shape is consistent, sir. Other way to do that is, criterion 1 was done here, so I'll write it here as 1. Second one I'm writing here. Very important. You're gonna solve almost 90% of the question using this criteria. 90% of the questions, okay? What's that called? Sir, A. Or sometimes, most of the times, only AA. Angle, or simply angle. How come, sir? Check na, bacha. Two triangles like this. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, chali. Let us see. If I say angle A is equals to angle X, what is the meaning of this? Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle X. Let's give a number to make this easier for you. I'm going to give this to be 40 degree. This means what? How much is this, sir? 40 degree. Clear, right? Let's take this angle B to equal to angle Y. How come, sir? Corresponding angles. Same way, corresponding side was there in the SSS criteria. Over here I have AAA criteria. I'll have corresponding angles here, not corresponding sides. So angle B equals to angle Y, sir. Excellent, sir. Let's call this to be how much? 70 degrees. How much is it? 70 degrees. Great, sir. Then how much is this value, bacha? Again 70 degrees. How come, sir? Then equal. So if I write, so the condition is if two corresponding angles of two pairs, bachcha, okay, if two pairs of corresponding angles of given triangles are equal, okay, then the triangles are similar. That's how it is. Similar. Triangles are similar. Clear? Let's see how. So if these two are equal, what's the sum of this? 70 plus 40 is how much, sir? 110. 110, right? Giving this angle to be how much? 70 degree. How come, sir? Sum of the angles is what? Is what, sir? It is the case of 180 degree, right? Sum of the triangle, sum of the angles of the triangle is what? Always 180 degree. So if this is 40 plus 70, 110 means other angle has to be 70, sir. What is that going to be over here? Again, sir, 70 only, no, sir. 70 only, sir. That's not even a question, sir. Sum of the angles of a triangle is what? Always a 70 degree, always a 180 degree, right? So basically, either you call the triangle to be AAA, means all three angles are equal, or only two are equal. Good enough for us. Both property can be used, you know. You can either use, if you can prove it, prove all angles equal. But even if you prove two angles equal, corresponding angles equal, your job is done. Because the third angle will become automatically equal. You can check here, 40, 70, then again will become 70 only. Okay. Now, how come this, sir? Why angle? Check. Remember the case I took for the first example. Equilateral triangle. So 60, 60, 60. It was equal, na? Two equilateral triangle. Why they were similar? Why two equilateral triangles are similar, sir? Always. Because this is 60, bacha. This also is 60. This also was 60, sir. 60, 60, and 60, sir. Sides are proportional, right? If it is A, if it is 2A, sides are proportional, sir. Always. So, since the angles you can check here, the corresponding angle, this to this, this to this, this to this, is equal. It means I can take the triangle to be similar. So, you don't have to take AAA, take simply AA. Clear? Hai? The last one, very important, difficult to click at times, but again, this chapter itself is very, very easy, not difficult at all. If you are here watching this session, means you are very serious about it, and I'm very sure you're gonna get all the concepts of this chapter simply in your mind. The third criteria is what, bacha? SAS. Sir, sides equal? No, sir. Sides proportional. Okay, means two pair of sides, na? SS is there, right? So two pair of sides, okay, are proportional, bacha. Okay, are proportional, sir. Great. And this is the if condition, right? Second one is going to be what? These two are if conditions, sir. If two pairs of the sides are proportional, if two pair of the sides are proportional, what is the second condition, sir? Included angles are equal. What type of angles, sir? Corresponding angles. Again, this is clear, right? This goes without saying. Always corresponding angles. When included corresponding angle is also equal, we can say what? SAS will hold true. Then what we can say? If condition is this, then will be what, bacha? Then triangles are similar. How come, sir? Please show in the figure. Let's do it, bacha. Triangle ABC drawn like this. ABC, and I have PQR like this. PQR, please have a look. What I'm trying to say over here is this: AB by PQ, corresponding sides, always, right? AB by PQ is equals to what, bacha? BC by QR. Please check. AB, this side, by PQ, this side, and BC by QR. Sides are proportional, right? Corresponding sides ratio is consistent, same, okay? And included angle means what? Between the sides, right? So please check, this angle B has to be equal to angle Q. What is it? And angle B equals to angle Q. When that is given, both condition has to be given, not one, both. Sides proportional, two sides proportional, and angle between them, not this angle. You cannot take this angle, okay? You can't take this angle, bacha. If two sides are given like this and this angle is given equal, you can't take SS property. Check here. Angles come in between, right? So angle has to be included angle. Very, very important. The angle has to be included angles. Okay. So once you take that, that is given equal, angle B equals to angle Q, then I can say what? The two triangles are similar, sir. Clear? The two triangles are similar, sir. Have a look. Great. Chaliye. Clear hai? Please have a look. This is the end of your criterion. I told you I will not give you derivation, but I'll explain you in a way that you'll never forget. Why not derivation? Because that's not important for you. Okay. They have never asked questions on the derivation of similarity condition, but derivation of BPT and converse BPT is very important. They keep asking. Check your PYQs. If you want me to do the derivation of SS, the criterion of similarity, let me know in the comment section. I'll do that for you anyway. Okay, if you have a requirement, let me know. If I get enough number of comments from you guys that sir, we need the derivation of criterions of similarity also, I'm gonna come and do that as well. Clear hai? Please have a look. Okay, done. Moving on to the questions now. I've taken a summary. Okay, I've taken a summary of this. Have a look. Corresponding angles of figures are same. Means what? Always think A will be with D, B will be with E, and C will be with F. Please check. A with D, B with E, C with F. That's why when you're naming the triangle, it's very important to name it correctly. That's why the name of the triangle is very, very important to write that properly. Okay, great. That's there. And the side has to be what, bacha? AB to DE. Have a look. Side has to be what, bacha? AB to DE. You have to look from the figure also. I can write from the name also. AB to DE from here. AB to DE, okay, equals to what? BC to, please check, BC here, EF here. What is the other one? AC to DF. This has to be consistent always as some constant K. Clear? Okay. Now moving on to the questions. Now before we go in the question, I have a very important announcement for all of you, for all the 10th graders. If you are having this question that what to do after 10th grade, sir, the answer is here. Every year we organize a program called DSAT program, which enables students to help and understand the right career choice for them. Okay, so today I'll talk about that. Let's just give me 1 minute to tell you all the information about this. So what is this called as? Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. This program is conducted at our offline campuses Diksha on Sundays for 3 hours. Great. So what are you going to do in this? How can you benefit it? So first of all, you have to go enroll. How can you enroll? The link for this thing is given in the description. Go ahead, put your details over here, get in touch with our team and book your slot for Sunday. Okay. Now after that, what is the benefit of this? So if you're not sure what you're going to choose after 10th grade, if you're worried about exam right now, not able to make decision about it, just dedicate one Sunday for us and we'll be very clear. You don't have to worry about it in your 3-4 months of time. You can keep working on preparation. That's going to be enough. Just give 3 hours of your time on one of your Sundays with us. Okay, I'll guarantee you're gonna get clarity what you should do after 10th grade. Okay, so how it helps exactly? So let's somebody who's not sure that, sir, I'm good in every subject, I don't know whether what should I choose, science with maths with bio. So whatever is the choice, you will get to know after this program. Okay, whether should I go with commerce, not take science at all, or arts paper, whatever it is, we'll get to know after this program. But if you're somebody who has decided want to do engineering, want to do medical, but you will not have exact clarity. Okay, if you're not having, what you can do is just take this program and you get to know the competency level of your JEE, NEET and your KSET examination. Means where you stand right now, what's the right career choice for you and how can you get better in your preparation and get ahead of the competition, right? So please take this program. How does it exactly help? I'll tell you that in the end of the session where we'll talk about the structure of the program. Then you'll be very clear that how it can be helpful. Okay, so please be with me till the end to know the structure. It'll be very, very helpful. Please visit the link given in the description and get enrolled and get in touch with our team. Moving on to the question number 1. Okay, structure we'll talk about later. Sir, let's go do the question number 1, sir. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC, find the value of X. We know that I've done this property for you in a question that if this is a trapezium, this is a trapezium, na? AB parallel to DC means what? AB parallel to DC means what, sir? In a quadrilateral, it means trapezium, sir. Because the two sides are not parallel, but one pair of sides is parallel. Trapezium, sir. Trapezium means what happens? The diagonal is proportional, sir. What's the meaning of that, bacha? It means AO by OC, please check, upon equals to what? BO by OD, है ना? BO by OD. Have a look. What is AO, बच्चा? AO is, sir, this value 3x minus 19. What is OC, बच्चा? OC is, sir, basically x minus 5. BO is what, sir? BO is going to be x minus 3. And what is that, bachcha? OD? OD is simply, sir, 3. Cross multiply, sir. Cross multiply. 3 times of this, bachcha. 3 times of 3x minus 19 equals to x minus 5 times of x minus 3. Clear? Check here. 9x minus 57, right? Yes sir, not 57. Now start 27, 57. 57 equals to what? X square minus 5x minus 3x is what? Is minus 8x. Okay, great. And how much is that? Is going to be plus 15. Okay, bring all of this on this side. You're gonna get what? 0 equals to x square minus 17 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 x. Okay, and what I'm getting for this part? 15 plus 57. What's my equation going to be? X square minus 17x. Okay, and how much is that? 50 plus 15 is 65 plus 7 is 72 sir. Okay, factorize it. 8 9 is 72, right? Please check. So x square minus 9x minus 8x plus 72 equals to 0. My factors are coming like this. Please have a look. X minus 9 times of x minus 8. Do the factorization, please check. X minus 9 is x square. Okay, x into x is x square. Minus 9 into minus 8 is plus 72, and minus 9x minus 8x will become what? Like this. Just take the factors. Okay, you can do the one step over here. So what I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting x equals to 9 or x equals to 8. Okay, so values of x is going to be either 9 or 8, whatever it is given as. So nothing is given, so I can write here units, sir. Units. Please have a look. The question is answered. Question number 1 is over. Question number 2. Okay, easy. First question was very easy. Yes sir. In the given figure AHK and ABC, if AK is 10, BC is 3.5. Okay, find the length of AC. They have given the similar triangle. Great sir. Let's add the similar triangle first. What they have given? Please check. Triangle AHK similar to triangle ABC. We know that from the triangle name we can write the similarity ratio for the corresponding side. I want AK, right? I want AC, right? Okay, so for AC I'll write what? AC is not here. AC is not here. So I'll write for this triangle first. So I'll write for AC, I'll have what? AK. So right here, AK by AC, have a look. AK by AC, great. Equals to what side, bacha? AK by AC equals to HK by BC. Please check. HK by BC. HK by BC. How come that, sir? For the given values they have given. No, AK is given as 10, so right here 10. AC I don't know, right? So let's write this as AC only. And what is HK? HK is given as 7, so take here as 7. What is BC, sir? BC is 3.5, sir. BC is 3.5. Okay, great. So you can cancel it over here. Please check. 3.5 times 2 is what? 7, and 2 times of 5 will be what? Here. This is nothing but 1. So have a look. I'm getting what? 5 by AC equals to 1, right? So AC equals to what, sir? Any unit given? Centimeters. So 5 centimeters. Kar lijiye. Have a look. 5 centimeters is your answer for the length AC which they were asking us. Simple, very simple. Moving on to question number 3. Okay, in the given figure, measure of an angle M and N are equal and they are 46 degrees. Okay, express x in terms of A, B and C. Okay, चलिए करते हैं. Take triangle. So I'll take what? In triangle L, M and K. Triangle L, M, K and triangle. Check here. P and K. P and K. Have a look. L, M, K and P and K. What is it given, sir? Angle M equals to angle N equals to 46 degrees. Have a look. Angle M here, angle N here. Corresponding angles are equal. Great. Also we have angle K common. Angle K is common angle, sir. है ना? Is a common angle. Angle K is a common angle. है ना? Great, sir. So what I'm getting? I'm getting angle property, right? Angle similarity condition. One angle is equal, other angles are common. It means angle similarity holds true. Great, sir. We can write what? Triangle LMK similar to triangle PNK. What condition, sir? AA criterion of similarity. AA criteria of similarity. Great, sir. Since we know this, it doesn't look like K. Let me write it as K first. LMK, bacha. LMK. What we can write, bacha? Check here. We can write this as I want terms of AXBC, right? So I'm gonna write this as MK by NK, right here. MK by NK from here equals to what? MK. This whole thing MK by NK equals to LM. LM by what? PN. I can verify this from the name also. Please have a look. MK by NK, right? And LM by PN. Okay. Let's check the values of these two. MK is how much, sir? MK going to be B plus C. What about NK, sir? NK is simply C. What about LM, sir? LM is A, sir. What about PN, sir? It is X, sir. I want to find value of X in terms of ABC. So I'll do what? I'll do cross multiplication. I'll write here as X times of B plus C equals to AC. So right here X equals to AC upon B plus C. AC upon B plus C. This is your answer for writing X in terms of ABC. Correct, na? AC upon B plus C. Have a look. Simple enough. Any doubt you have, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to come up with a solution for your queries and doubts. Moving on. Question number 4. D is a point on the side BC, okay, like that, great, of a triangle ABC such that angles ADC and BAC, they have marked it here, ADC and BAC are equal. Prove that CA square equals to BCB into CD. Okay, karte hain, let's do it. Similarity, sir, of course. What triangle, sir? They have already given triangle name. No, sir, they have not. Please check. You can write from here, no? Angles. We know that. Whatever angle name is given, it has to be same way, na? The order remains same. What is the angle, sir? ADC and BAC, write their name. In triangle ADC and triangle BAC. ADC and BAC. What angles are equal, sir? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. How come, sir? They have given bacha. They have given bacha. Yes. And also angle C is common, sir. Angle C is common. Please check. ADC is a small triangle and BAC is a big triangle, right? What is the common angle? This angle is common, na? Have a look. This angle over here is common, sir. This angle over here is common, sir. Then what I can write, bacha? I can write for these two conditions, angle property holds true. I can write simply that triangle ADC is similar with triangle BAC. Which property, sir? Angle similarity. Angle similarity. Oh, sorry, yeah, criteria holds true. For that reason, I'm looking for what? CA 2 times. So I'll take one AC over here. So AC upon what? Check here. I have BC, or I write it as CB. Okay. Now I'm looking for what, bacha? CA, right? I'll write it as CD and CA. Have a look. Cross multiply, sir. CA into AC is simply what, sir? CA square, and CB into CD is simply what, sir? CB dot CD. We were asked to prove this. Have a look. Done. Simple problem. Just don't worry about it. Think, you should be able to think clearly how to approach a problem. That's the most important thing. Rest all will take care of itself. How to approach a problem. Whatever is given, how can you utilize that? Think about that. Whenever you're solving a question, whether you know it or not, just break your head. Think about that point. Once you get that right, any question that is given to you, you will to solve it. Okay, chaliye. I hope you can see this. Moving on to the last question of the day. Okay, let's solve this also. A very good question. How can you solve this, sir? Sides AB and AC and median AD. Okay. Please check. AB side is here. Okay. AC is here. And what? Median is here. This is the median, right? AD median is given like this. Mean basically this side BD and CD are equal. Is proportional to side PQ over here. Okay. And PR over here. Right? And this side median is there. Means QM equals to MR. Clear hai? Okay, sir. Prove ABC is similar to PQR. What are you looking to prove? Right here. To prove is what, sir? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Let's look at the given condition. How can you reach there? First look at the given condition. So if I write the given condition, bacha, have a look. Acha, first given comes, okay, if you're looking for the answer writing, given comes before the to prove part, but I just wrote it in this way. Don't confuse, just write the given over here first. Okay, chali, no problem. Write given here. What is the given condition? Side AB to side PQ, corresponding side, is equal to what? AC to PR. AC to PR equals to what? AD to PM. Medians are also proportional, na? So AD to PM. This is given equal. Given equal, right? Sides AB, AC, AD, AB, AC, AD, and the sides and the median. Okay, so AD is the median. Sides PQ, PR, and the median PM. PQ, PR, and the median PM are proportional, na? Means ratio is equal, right? So clear. So given is clear. Looking to prove what? Triangle ABC and PQ and PQ are similar. Great, great, great. Please check here. You already have SS, na sir? AB to PQ, AC to PR. Means if I get the included angle between them equal, it means my job is done. What's included angle, sir? This angle, na sir? P and Q. If I can somehow prove angle P and, sorry, not Q, P and A equal, somehow prove angle P and angle A equal, my job is done or not? How come, sir? Side condition I have. Sides are proportional. Included angle, if I can prove to be equal, it means SAS will hold true. So the questions will be done. Okay, how can we reach there? So clarity you have how to, what you need, you need to prove angle A equal to angle P basically to prove your given question statement. Clear hai? Moving on, how can you prove A and P, bacha? How can you prove A and B, bacha? So the construction was there. Okay, so drawn the construction in the figure. What's the construction, sir? Extend AD to E, okay, such that AD equals to what, bacha? DE. And also what you have? PM equals to MN. PM equals to MN. Please check. PM equals to MN. This is the extension, okay, of AD and PM, and then join the line CE and RN. Write it down, okay. Extend AD to point T such that AD equals to DE. Extend PM to point N such that PM equals to MN. Okay. So we are extending the medians such that what? You join the line CE and RN. Okay. Great. Construction is done, sir. Now, how will you prove this, sir? Proof part, have a look. Just the last part, proofing part. So let's take triangle ADB and triangle EDC. Check here. Triangle AD. Okay, what is it? ADB and triangle EDC. Have a look. What I have? First thing, AD equals to DE or ED. Second thing, please check. Second thing, angle ADB equals to angle EDC. One second. I'll write it over here. Reason also I'll write. This is by construction, na? This is by construction. Next was what? Angle ADB equals to angle EDC. How come, sir? Vertically opposite angle. Also BD equals to CD or CD, yeah. So I have BD equals to CD. How come, sir? D is the midpoint. D is a midpoint, bacha. Correct, na? D is the midpoint, na? Because AD is the median, so D is the midpoint. So BD and CD are equal. Great, sir. In that case, what I have? Please check. I have triangle ADB is not similar, so congruent, sir. Triangle EDC. Triangle EDC. How come, sir? Side angle side congruency. Not similarity. Congruency, sir. Similar? Simple? Okay. Once you get that, you can write C equals to AB. Right here. AB equals to CE. How come, sir? We know the CPCT. You know what, bacha? CPCT. Call this to be equation number 1. Okay. Equation number 1. Not 1. 1 second. I'll write this as 2 actually, because I'm gonna need it. 1 for this. I'll call this to be equation number 1. This whole thing to be equation number 1. Okay. Great, sir. This is equation number 1, bacha. Have a look. What is that? This is the given statement. Okay. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Similarly, I can do what? Have a look. I got AB and CE equal. Similarly, I can write the triangle PMQ and RMN will be congruent, and I'll have what? PQ equals to RN. So let me write it over here. Please have a look. Similarly, okay, similarly, what I'm getting, bacha, triangle name is what? PMQ and NMR. Okay, PMQ and triangle NMR. 1 second. PMQ is congruent to triangle MNR. I don't have to prove it, right? The similarity will be congruent. How come, sir? Same property, SAS, है ना? Similarly is good enough. Okay, then what can I write from here? I can write that Rn equals to PQ right here. PQ equals to Rn, sir. Again what? From CPCT. Equation number 3. CPCT. Have a look. Okay. Now what are we gonna do? Using equations 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Write the equation number 1 first. AB, PQ, AC, PR, AD, PM. AB, PQ, AC, PR and AD, PM, sir. है ना? Yes. Now from equation number 2, AB goes to CE. AB goes to CE, so right here. This AB as CE and PQ goes to what? RN, so right here. RN. Keep AC as it is, PR as it is, and write AD as it is as well. AD as it is as well. Okay. Now one thing, have a look. I can multiply 2 to this, right? I can multiply 2 to this. Now both up and down. Please check. Both up and down. So what's gonna this become? Have a look. This will become, bacha, CE by RN equals to AC by PR equals to what, sir? Twice of AD by twice of PM. Multiplying 2 on both sides. What is twice of AD? Have a look, sir. Twice of AD is what, sir? AE, na? And twice of PM is what, sir? PN, right? Have a look. Twice of AD is AE. Twice of PM is what? PN. So AE and PN, I'll replace this by, this whole thing by AE and PN, right? Yes? Yes, sir, PN. Great. So I can write this statement again. Have a look. CE by RN equals to what, bacha? AC by PR equals to what, bacha? AE by PN. Have a look. A by PN. Please check. CE by RN. So CE, AC, AE. Please check. Please check. Simple. CE, AC, AE. CE, AC, AE. CE, AC and AE. I'll repeat. CE, AC and AE. Clear hai? Okay. Check here. Is 1 second. I have moved back. Okay. Equals to RN, PR and PN. RN is over here. Please check. So CE, AE and AC. What I have over here? RN. This one RN, P and PR. R proportional means what, bacha? Proportional means what, sir? Basically the triangles. What triangles, sir? Triangle AEC and PNR are similar, na? Triangle AEC similar with triangle PNR. AEC and PNR are similar. How come, sir? Side criteria, right? How come, sir? Sides are proportional means what? The triangle is similar, right? Great, sir. For that reason, I can write, bacha, what? I can write what? Once the triangles are similar, sir, I can write what? Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Please check. I can write angle 2 equals to angle 4. How come, sir? Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, when that happens, let's call this to be equation number, we had to 3, right? So I call this to be equation number 4. I can write what? Similarly, please check. Similarly, angle 1 equal to angle 3. How come, sir? 2 equal to 4 I got. Using all of this, same way I can write what? 1 equal to 3. 1 equal to 3. Yes. This is my equation number 5. Have a look. Equation 4 is here. Equation 5 is here. Add them. Please check. Add 4 and 5. What are you going to get? 1 plus 2 will be, bacha, what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is how much, sir? Simply angle A. Okay. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is how much, sir? Please check. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is how much, sir? simply angle P. So what I'm getting from here, I'm getting that angle A is equal to angle P is equal to angle P, sir. Okay, 1 second, sir. Angle P, let me just put it in a box, okay, and write this to be equation number 6. Okay, angle A equals to angle P. Again, A equals to angle P. Okay, where can I write this? Please have a look. I can write it over here, the final answer. Okay, I don't have enough space. Just give me 1 second. Okay, the last part. So we have what from 1? From 1 we have what? From 1 I have AB by PQ. AB by PQ equals to AC by PR. AC by PR from here, sir. AB by PQ and AC by PR, and also from which one? From equation 6. From 6 what I have? Angle A equals to angle P. Please check. Angle A equals to angle P. For that reason, what I'm getting, bacha? Have a look. I'm getting, sir. Therefore, triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. Which property holds true? The property's name is SAS, sir. SAS, sir. Please have a look. I know space constraint. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Have a look. Please have a look. Okay, first this part. First there I started over here getting to this part. Okay, okay, simple. Have a look. A very good question. It's a very good question. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I will conclude this session with, as I said, I'll talk about the structure of the DSAT, how it helps. The thing is, bacha, this 3-hour session on the Sunday, no, it has 3 parts in it. First part is a lecture, so we will teach you something. Okay, so we'll teach you a concept for 45 minutes, and last 15 minutes will be for a question answer round for doubt clarification. You can ask your doubts in that as well. So 1 hour is done. You learn something, you can ask your doubts. That is done. Second hour, you have to write a aptitude test. So that test is again will be based upon the concept. So 2 hours is done. Last hour we'll evaluate your result for the aptitude test, and you can sit with us for the counseling with you, with your parents, 1-to-1, and get your all questions answered. See your approach to your answer. How can you improve that? Okay, and what it tells about your preparation, your studies, your capabilities. Everything can be enhanced and made better with this counseling setup. Okay, so we have a very experienced team of counselors and faculties which will help you understand. Who will help you understand this, clarity, or get the clarity to make this decision from yourself, by your side, to what you should do for your 11th and 12th, for your academic years 11th and 12th. Very important, right? So this will be very important for all of you who are passing 10th grade in the coming year. Okay, now once you decide to do what you want to do, and if you have the clarity, if you want to join us for 11th and 12th, okay, then you get a very good scholarship on your admissions. So please make sure this scholarship will be based upon what? This aptitude test that you've written. Okay, so write well. Again, the concept will be given to you, so you can see the structure is very helpful for all of us. Okay, if I was a student, I would have taken it, but for that my time it was not there, but for you it is there. Please make sure that you have this benefit given to you. How can you do that? Enroll to the link given, get in touch with our team, and Sunday 3 hours at Diksha campuses. Clear? Okay, so I'm gonna continue this session, bacha, for triangles in the next class. Till then, this is it for the session. Keep working hard, keep smiling. You have a lot to do. The time is nearer and nearer. Keep working hard, keep solving more and more questions. Any other requests from our side, you need any help, let us know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.